Hello students. In our last video we learned the poem past, present and future. Today we will learn a new lesson, that is odd one in. From these pictures you will understand the meaning of odd one. Here I will first read the whole lesson for you. You all have to listen carefully and note down the meaning of new words. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Okay, Rima shrugged. Shrugged means disregard. No lessons, just settling in. Any new girls in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. Only one, Malti. And she is funny, grimaced Rima. Grimaced means an ugly expression. She gave an ugly expression as she helped herself to the salad. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. She can't speak much English. She has come from another state. Sniffed Rima. Sniffed. Sniffed means inhale. Naming one at the other end of the country. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be very clever. They are especially good at maths. At maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi and all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. Her parents exchanged glances. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be insufferable at times. Insufferable means too extreme to bear. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. Sighed means whispered. Rima and her gang had decided to do just that. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorused, "Good morning." Poor Malti. She did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, "Good morning." Now, students, in this lesson, the author has explained a story of a girl, and the name of the girl is Malti. She is new in the class. All children in the beginning were not liking her because of her look, her attire. She used to have long hair, long skirt, and she was not very smart and not good in English. Therefore, her friend Rima and other friends had decided to make fun of her. Though she was good in mathematics and other activities, but her English was not as good as her friends. Rima's parents were very much bothered about this incident because Rima was the only child of a parent. When Rima told about the story of Malti, then her parents began to think that we should take some action against this. We should stop our child from making fun of Malti. So they told Rima that next morning onwards you should not make fun of her. Now we'll continue. Pay attention here, students. Shehnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Malti looked offended but did not reply. And the skirt, so long, said Claire catly. Malti flushed. Flushed means having red face to express strong emotion. Malti flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. Yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, "Sounds like a clever girl." Rima said, "What is the use?" said Rima uncharitably. Her English is so atrocious. Meaning of atrocious is very poor quality. The same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Even Mr. Sen did not like it. That night, Rima's parents discussed the matter. We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid that she is turning into a quite a little snob. Snob means considering oneself superior and others inferior, said Mr. Sen sadly. The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. Oily plates sings also, she said snidely to Claire. Snidely means in a nasty manner. Croaks, you mean, giggled Claire. They were to be proved wrong. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer. Jeer means to make taunts, to make fun when Malti sang, but there was such absolute silence they did not dare to. Here, students, in this paragraph, that Rima and her friend had decided to make fun of Malti. So, one day Sainaj also giggled at Malti by telling her oily hair. Now, the meaning of new words are given here. New words are shrugged, means disregard, grimaced, an ugly expression, sniffed, inhale, insufferable, to extreme, to bear, and sighed means whisper. You have to write down these new words in your notebook and learn it also. Some new words are also there in the next page. We will see those new words also. Flushed means red face to express strong emotions. Atrocious means very poor quality. Snob, considering oneself superior. Snidely means in a nasty manner. Jeer means make taunts or make funs. Now students, I will explain you the summary of the lesson. You all have to pay attention here. This story is of a girl and the name of the girl is Malti. She is new in the class. On the first day of the school, Rima, who went to home after the school, her parents inquired about her first day. Rima said that nothing important, no lessons were there, just we settled down in the class. Then her father asked, any new girl is there in your class? Rima said, yes, one girl is there, but she is so funny. Her parents asked, "Why do you say that? Why she is funny?" Then Rima said that because her English is so poor, and she says good morning. Then her parents said that, but the children from that state from where she has come are quite clever, especially at in maths. But she said, what is the use? She is not good in English. Next morning, Rima and her friends had decided to make fun of Malti. They began to tease her because she used to put oil in her hair, used to wear long skirt, and her English was also so poor. So next morning when she entered in the class, Rima and her friends said in chorus and in loud voice, "Good morning." Poor Malti, she did not understand that they were making fun of her, so she wished them also good morning in a silent way. And after some time, teacher entered in the class, and as the class progressed, Malti used to raise her hand for all the questions asked by teacher, and teacher appreciated the answers given by her. Then Rima told the story about her smartness in the maths to her parents. Then parents said, "Yes, we were telling you know that she may be good in mathematics." Then Rima said, "What is the use? She is not good in English." Then her parents told that may be with your Hindi also. Next morning there was singing competition in the school. Rima's name was there for the English singing competition, and she became surprised by seeing Malti's name in Hindi singing competition. In the competition, Malti sang so beautifully. She was having so nice melodious voice that everyone was surprised and no one dared to make fun of Malti. Thank you.